Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys lock screen notification remove setting, how to remove lock screen notification, how to turn off lock screen notification in Infinix mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can check I have notification on my lock screen and I don't want to use lock screen notification. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this tab interface in your device. Friends, in your device open your phone display brightness setting. After get phone display brightness setting friends, open your phone lock screen setting, and friends click here first option lock screen notification setting. And friends, there are two options: show notification, don't show lock screen notification. Friends, you want to show notification, so friends click here first option, and you don't want to show notification, so friends click here second option don't show lock screen notification. Click here and friends your notification will remove, and friends you cannot use lock screen notification in your Infinix mobile. Notification will remove. So like that friends, you can remove your Infinix mobile lock screen notification. And friends, again if you click here show notification content, so friends now you can use your Infomobile mobile lock screen notification setting. Off your screen, and friends you can use your Infomobile mobile lock screen notification again. So like that way you can show notification on lock screen, and you want to remove your lock screen notification in your Infomobile mobile. Open your phone setting, display brightness setting, lock screen setting, and friends click here don't show lock screen notification. Notification will remove from lock screen and you can check. Notification will not show. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.